Hi, I'm Alice.
And I'm Kristen.
And this is our bus. So it's 2 days later. Oh, that's strong. There we go. That's not bad. Give it a little extra protection. This part has a problem. This wall is also entirely rotten. Oh, that's so bad. Oh my gosh. So that looks good, but the rot still goes all under here. $51.75. Perfect. Okay, let's red guard it. Last time when I did the red guard, I didn't wear gloves, and that was a mistake, so definitely wear gloves. Oh, but this backing here is fiberglass. It is not wood, so it's already waterproof. But everywhere around all these holes, I'm going to seal them. Because of all the rotten wood that's around the frame, we're gonna have to take this whole frame out of the bus here in order to reseal it. But the weight is probably too heavy for us to lift, so we're gonna remove the doors. But when I removed the screws, there were 2 of them that were still frozen in place. So I'm gonna try to slot them with a Dremel tool and then do a flathead screwdriver, and maybe that can get enough torque. Still no. Okay, now that the head's off, can we get this to go through? Oh, it's moving. Totally worked. That's amazing. Sun has set and the temperature is dropping, so I'm going to close this up and we'll continue the mounting of those boards tomorrow. It's another day. Let's try putting these boards in. So I think I have a new plan. It looks like the leaking that was causing the previous rot, like all through here, I don't think it's coming from the frame. I think it's coming from somewhere else because all the wood up here is not rotted and there's no evidence of leaks along the sides or anything. So I think I'm going to change that plan. I think I'm going to go ahead and just seal this up and not take the door out of the frame. I don't know if that's a smart choice. Okay, so the plan is going to be to put spray foam back here. This will be the sealant and hold it up to the wall. Then put the board in and then screw it from the outside. Okay, there we go. That's it. Okay. So the end result is that we got all of the bolts in, the frame in, all the foam is in, all of the bolts have been sealed, some of the foam went in. And from the outside, all the bolts are in and the top is painted and sealed. So I think it went really well. So I think I'm going to finish up for today and we'll continue this tomorrow. Wonder what's next. Oh, our foam came in. So we're going to pick up the foam in the morning and then we can do the inside insulation.